Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use Uber Cash on Postmates. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Postmates homepage. So once you open the page, you're gonna be right here in this page. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is go to the bottom right here. You're gonna find four sections: the home section, the browse section, cards, and lastly account. So if you go to account and click on wallet, right here you're gonna find your Uber Cash. So if you click here on Uber Cash, you're gonna find how much you have in Uber Cash, and you can use it to buy any item. Right here, you're gonna find under it send a gift, and under it you're gonna find payment method. If you click on add payments, you can choose the payment method that you want. For example, Uber gift card, and then enter the gift code for Uber. Under it, you're gonna find vouchers. You can add a voucher code. So if we go back, for example, after selecting the item that you want to buy, for example, I'm gonna select one item from here and click add to cart, view cart, and then go to checkout. Once you go to checkout, you're gonna find here add payment method. So if you click here, you can choose which payment method you want to use. And then click here to payment options and then click on Uber Cash if you want to use it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.